The Pierre, a secluded retreat nestled into a rocky outcrop, is a testament to the harmonious interplay between human ingenuity and the raw beauty of nature. Conceived by Olson Kundig, the house seamlessly integrates into its surroundings, almost disappearing into the lush foliage and rugged stone. The architectural design is a celebration of the materiality of the site. From certain angles, the Pierre appears to be an organic extension of the rock itself, with its rough-hewn surfaces and green roof blending effortlessly with the surrounding landscape. The house is designed on a single level, with an open-plan kitchen, dining, and living area that invites a sense of spaciousness and connection to the outdoors. A large pivoting steel and glass door provides access to a private terrace, offering panoramic views of the natural surroundings. To create this intimate retreat, portions of the rock outcropping were excavated using a combination of machinery and manual labor. Large drills were used to outline the building's footprint, while dynamite, hydraulic chippers, wire saws, and other tools were employed to shape the stone to the desired specifications. The excavated rock was repurposed as crushed aggregate in the concrete flooring, further reinforcing the connection between the house and its site. The interior of the Pierre is equally impressive, with the raw stone walls contrasting beautifully with the luxurious furnishings. The fireplace hearts are carved out of the existing stone, leaving behind visible marks of the excavation process. In the master bathroom, a striking sink is composed of water cascading through 3 polished pools in the natural stone, creating a serene and spa-like atmosphere. The entry sequence and a powder room are fully carved out of the rock, providing a unique and immersive experience for visitors. These spaces highlight the craftsmanship and attention to detail that went into the creation of this extraordinary home. The Pierre is more than just a residence, it is a testament to the power of architecture to enhance the natural landscape and create a truly unforgettable living experience. And there you have it, folks. The Pierre by Olson Kundig, a stunning example of architecture in harmony with nature. From its secluded location nestled into the rock to its innovative design and luxurious amenities, this home is truly a masterpiece. If you're inspired by the Pierre and want to see more incredible architecture, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We've got plenty of amazing videos coming your way. Thanks for watching.